Welcome to this session. Today we will discuss Indian theatre and one of the most important theatre figures of today, Mahesh Dattani. Mahesh Dattani is an experimental dramatist. But his experimentalism is not without Indian tradition and living culture of India. Before discussing Mahesh Dattani and Mahesh Dattani's Tara, we will try to understand what drama is, of course, not in Aristotelian sense. But Marjorie Boulton has defined in a very simple manner. We can understand it simply. A true play is three-dimensional, according to her. It is literature that walks and talks before our eyes. It is not intended that the eye shall perceive marks on paper and the imagination turn them into sights, sounds, and actions. The text of the play is meant to be translated into sights, sounds, and actions, which occur literally and physically on the stage. Though, in fact, plays are often read in silence. If we are to study drama at all intelligently, we must always keep this in mind. When we read plays of Mahesh Dattani, actions of the characters come before us. A mental image occurs of reading the plays of Mahesh Dattani. Vividness of his language and correctness of choosing language to the expression of the mind of character make Mahesh Dattani's play marvelous and remarkable in Indian theatre. Mahesh Dattani is the first Indian playwright to be honored with the prestigious Sahitya Akademi Award for his Final Solutions and other plays. He is the master of irony and satire. He is well known theatre practitioner as well. He also writes plays for BBC Radio. The total corpus of his plays includes stage plays, screen plays, and radio plays. His significant plays include Seven Steps Around the Fire in 1999, On the Muggy Night of Mumbai 98, Do the Needful 97, Final Solution 93, Bravery Fought the Queen 1991, Tara 1990, Dance Like a Man 89, Where There Is a Well 86. All of them are having Indian sensibility of an artist, and Dattani has also depicted through this drama, these plays, is depicted the inner world of modern people. There are some certain themes which can be observed at the time of reading these plays I have mentioned above. These plays expose the contemporary socio-political problems. They expose communal disharmony, the problems of Hindu-Muslim divisions. Some of his play also expose bold treatment of taboo like unusual love relationships, same-sex relationship, experimental thinking of modern people towards sexuality, women's exploitation, molestation, incest and child sex abuse, life of homosexual inacts, etc., etc. So these are all the imaginative but real reflections of the modern society. Mahesh Dattani always concentrate on the inner thought or inner sensibility of human being. He connects inner self of men to the problems of the society. That the problem is not outside, the problem is inside human being. It is the inside of human being that creates problem outside. In this connection, Pranav Joshipura says in a critical study of Mahesh Dattani's plays, principally his plays deal with humanism in general and injustice to marginalized section of society such as homosexuals, hijras and women in particular. In all of them, he provokes our thinking, compels us to think afresh about the problems and to change our conventional attitudes and assumptions about what is right and what is wrong, what is good and what is evil. So this ethical notion is very much connected to humanism, which is the subject of Mahesh Dattani's plays. His humanism is not about the relationship between man and religion, but man to man. He believes that everyone has right to live under the sun with the same enthusiasm, with the same right as a common man or as a man of great stature has or has come under sun. He, in most of his plays, has also reflected the problem of gender discrimination, which is generally found in our Indian society. Everybody wants male child because of their belief that the generation can only be run, the future generation can only be run by a male child. A once is needed to regulate and promote the generation. This Indian thought has been abused bitterly and opposed bitterly by dramatic sensibility of Mahesh Dattani. This is the main idea or central idea of his play about which we will talk today, Tara. Tara is the most touching 3-act stage play by Dattani. The play revolves around the theme of favoring the boy and frowning upon the girl with exceptional originality of conception. The playwright presents arguments against the parents' preference for the male child at the cost of girl child. The play holds much significance in the present time, especially when the government and other NGOs are holding programs and rallies for creating awareness among people against female foeticide. But female foeticide is very common. And Mahesh Dattani was encountering such incidents regularly, which enforced him to choose this topic. And he wrote Tara. Let us have some thematic idea of sexuality and gender discrimination. As this today's lecture is based on the thematic study of sexuality and gender discrimination in Tara. Tara is a story of the eponymous girl child who becomes the victim of discriminatory decision of the older generation and suffers a lot for no fault for her. The cruelty of parents not only takes away Tara's life but also fills their son with a strong feeling of guilt and dejection. One decision of the parent that girl's leg should be added to boy. A legless Tara had a lot love to his brother, to her brother. When the son, when her bro or brother came to know of this fact, he subsumed of guilt and felt a lot dejection. But it was irrecoverable fault done by their parents. This is a problematic which has been chosen by Dattani. In this connection, Beena Agrawal, in her article A Socio-Psychological Analysis of Gender Identity in Tara, discusses the issue of gender bias in the play and establishes the view that the social relevance of the play has been subordinated to psychophilosophical issues integrated in gender bias. She, in the other article entitled Dynamics of Human Relationship in Mahesh Dattani's Tara, says realization of identity of distinctive selves working in union in the comprehensive scheme of things has been exposed. Tara has been played referring to the sense of an investigation into the cause and effect pattern in relationship. How Chandan's life was caused or was the effect of Tara's inability and Chandan's dejection was due to the Tara's emotion. So this pattern, the cause and effect pattern, has been deliberately and technically handled by Mahesh Dattani in order to show the dynamics of human relationship. Santwana Haldar, in Gender Discrimination in Mahesh Dattani's Tara, a study of prejudice in patriarchal society, brings out her attitude of discrimination against the girl child. in a male-dominated society. She focuses particularly on the anguish of Tara caused not only by the social prejudices that have rendered her handicapped. According to her, Tara is not to be treated as a girl who is physically handicapped by the very fact that she has been born with the gender she has. Gajendra Kumar has also talked about the discrimination, but he took some other dimensions to study Tara. He found the elements of alienation and death in Tara and focuses on the painful position of women in society. Sarika Srivastav, in her article Mahesh Dattani's Tara, Gender Preferences in Indian Culture, she draws attention to the sexual realities of society in which a woman is always subordinate to man, and in spite of all claims at modernity, she is still a second grade citizen. Arpa Ghosh, Hypocrisy and Hollowness in Indian Joint Family System, a study of Mahesh Dattani's plays, examines the depiction of the grim and disturbing picture of Indian family life, which with a special focus on bravery fought the Queen Tara danced like man and 30 Days in September. All these plays are depicting a unified sensibility of hypocritic and hollow people living in Indian society. But what is greatness in the plays of Mahesh Dattani is that he never overlooks human touch. He is not a pessimist. He is not one-dimensional expositor of the society occupied with evil and bad characteristics. The play, it may be observed from feminist perspective, but it may also be observed from a perspective of humanism, that the family or relationship exists only of the sacrifice of the members of family. And it is witnessed by seeing the relationship of sister and brother. The inseparable consciousness of both doesn't allow anyone to be separated. Tara's brother has his limbs. He was living. He was conscious. He was better than the condition of Tara. But he did not live even a single moment in his life without feeling the pain of Tara. He always lives in conflict of empathetic tension he had by seeing Tara. And vice versa. Tara is also the greater attachment to his brother. Her brother was affectionate, caring, sensitive, companionable brother. and she came to realize the value of keeping brother as her own. Perhaps she felt better to keep a brother alive in a good form than to keep herself with her own leg. At least there was somebody to her whom she could call as call brother. When Tara died, Chandan felt half or more than half of his life was dead. The death of Tara is more than the loss of a sister for him. The sibling rivalry was not there at all in between Tara and Chandan. The death of Tara was the death of his own self, as he felt. Chandan was not feeling soul in him at the loss of his sister. He also lost the real psychological sense of his. The memories of dear sister haunt him throughout his life and feels that he will be able to unite with Tara only after his death. So one may think of it in a manner that it was all due to the wrong decision taken by the parent. Parents who never perhaps liked to call the observant of generation should be a woman. In Tara, thus Dattani lays bare the powerful psychological tensions and conflict raging in the mind of Dan, the brother of Tara, whose legs was given to the former by the doctor while separating the Siamese twins. Tara has in her brother an affectionate, caring, sensitive and a companionable brother, and she herself passes through various moods and feelings during the course of the drama. Sibling rivalry is absent in their relationship. The death of Tara to Chandan is more than the loss of a sister, as I have told you. It is the loss of his own self which makes him a cripple in the real psychological sense. He lost Tara as if he has lost his self and sensibilities and emotions, and the existence is related to him. The memories of his sister haunted him throughout life and felt better to die and meet the soul of Tara after death. Thank you very much.